how to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about how you are going to transfer crypto to your wallet from Revolut in the easiest way possible. So when it comes to Revolut, obviously it works way better on the app because obviously you are going to need to get the app, and in the app basically you can transfer your crypto to wallet. Now the way you're going to transfer your crypto to your wallet is basically you are going to go to your crypto section. Obviously, there's the crypto section in the app. You're going to go on more, you're going to go on send, and then you're going to go to any new address. Okay. And when it comes to new address, you're going to go with whatever crypto address that you have. Like, obviously, let's say I want to take it from that Revolut to my crypto wallet. Okay. So let's say I have this MetaMask crypto wallet over here, and I want to basically bring it into this over here, or maybe I have a Coinbase wallet. What I will do is I will copy the address from my Coinbase or MetaMask wallet and put it into the Revolut address, and what that will do is it will transfer the crypto from my Revolut account to my wallet in the easiest way. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.